The flags fly with pride over the Sudima Hotel in Auckland. Built from the ground up in 2011, the Sudima Hotel prides itself on its environmental credentials. Credentials and differences that every guest will notice.
The features of a Sudima hotel that probably make it unique from a green point of view, a sustainable point of view, are the facts that we don't have fridges in the rooms. We also don't have much paperwork. We try to have what we call a compendium-less room. Those things are on the television sets. And probably the main feature of the room is the air conditioning system, or the chilled beam system. It's not a traditional air conditioning system, and it's something unique to this part of the world. The great benefit of course, is it's extremely efficient in terms of cost, but also it provides a great level of guest comfort. But the most important aspect of the chill beam system is that it provides twice as much fresh air into a guest room as a typical hotel. This is achieved by air passing over cold or hot water systems, and so you get this lovely fresh air coming through.
There's LED lighting, lower ceilings, smart use of space, swales in the car park and smart use of natural light. And then there's heat exchangers and other simple initiatives to boost environmental performance.
So what we have here is a tank that we use for rain harvesting. We collect water from the building. It's brought down to this central point.
It's then used for non-potable uses, including watering the garden. But the Sudima Hotel hasn't rested there. It's now become the first hotel in New Zealand to gain certification through the carboNZero program. This means they measure their greenhouse gas emissions every year and continue to manage and mitigate those emissions by creating a management and reduction plan. This helps them identify areas of their business where they can reduce emissions as well as operational expenses. Any remaining emissions they can't avoid are offset by purchasing verified carbon credits. And all this, of course, is independently audited.
What we wanted was something that was serious and something that gave us credibility. That was the important. I think some of the other ones probably lacked that sort of weight. So that was attractive in the first place.
Credibility is one thing, but seeking continued improvement is another.
But through the process of examining our emissions, we were able to identify some areas we really need to improve on. I think the most significant thing, and the thing we're probably proudest of, is talking to our suppliers. Our hotel has hundreds and hundreds of different suppliers. We were able to sit with them and explain to them that if they wanted to do business with us, they needed to have their own sustainability program. They had to have some commitment towards a carboNZero program themselves, and we also demanded to see evidence of that.
The carboNZero program provides commercial and marketing benefits, and it's simple to undertake.
You just need to go through it in a planned, strategic way. You get lots of help, lots of advice. It's a process, really. Not an onerous one. Look, it only has an upside, and I'd recommend anyone undertake it. Your company's large or small, it's a great process.
And one that's good for the environment and your bottom line.